Welcome back to Gear Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to add or remove settings home page in Windows 11. By default, home settings page is enabled on Windows 11 latest version. If you don't see or if you have already hidden it or you want to hide it purposely, then this video will help you. You can use two methods to show or hide home settings page and on Windows 11. One is through group policy and next one is through registry editor. So let me start one by one. First one is group policy. For that, press Windows plus R key on the keyboard and then type gpedit.msc and click OK or press enter on the keyboard. Here, once group policy editor opens on your computer, go to this one, computer configuration, then administrator templates, and then here you should find control panel. Double click on this one. This will open. Here you will find a settings name, that is settings page visibility. Double click on this one. Here you can, after enabling, you can type hide none, hide colon none. Select enabled, then here type hide colon none to show home settings page on Windows 11. If you want to hide it, if you want to hide it purposely, then type hide colon and here home, hide colon home, and then apply, then click OK and close this one settings app and reopen this setting app. You can see the home settings page is no more available in settings app. Now talking about another method, that is through registry editor. For that, press Windows plus R key on the keyboard and then type regedit in run dialog box and click OK to open the registry editor. Here you need to copy and paste the path, exact path in the address bar. You can find the article link in this video description. From there you can copy required path and all this. After typing or copying pasting the this one path in the address bar, press enter on the keyboard. This will take you up to the explorer key. Here on the right side you should see settings page visibility raise sz value. If it does not exist, then right click on the free space on the right side. Here select new and then name it a string value and then rename it as settings page visibility. Here double click on this one. In the value data field, type hide home, hide colon home. This will hide home page from the settings page, and to if you want to make it appear home settings page, then your value will be hide colon and none. After that, hide colon none. This will display home settings page in settings app. After typing this one, click OK. Close the registry editor. Close this settings app. Reopen this settings app on your PC. Now you can see home settings page appeared in this Windows 11 settings app. That's all about video. Thanks for watching this video. If you are new to our channel Gear Up Windows, kindly subscribe it. And if you have already subscribed it and you love this video, press thumbs up. Bye bye.